Trying to figure out how much EasyLiner Brand Shelf Liner to buy for your next project, but don't know where to start? Here are a few simple steps to keep in mind before you head to the store. Whether you're lining kitchen drawers, cabinets, or pantry shelves, the first step is to take accurate measurements. Here, we are measuring a drawer, but these steps apply to any surface you want to cover. First, measure the width of your drawer. Each liner comes in different sizes, so use this measurement to determine what size shelf liner you need. The next step is to calculate total amount of liner needed. Measure the depth of the drawer. Then multiply that number by the total number of drawers. This will give you the total length needed. Finally, we need to find out how many rolls of shelf liner to buy. To do that, divide the total drawer length by the length of one roll of liner. And that's it. Now you'll have the right amount of shelf liner before you start your makeover project.